Hi everyone, Tridip here from TGT and welcome to another macOS update video. Apple has finally released macOS Monterey 12.1 to the public. This is the first major update for macOS Monterey after the initial public release and contains a lot of new features, some major security updates and more. Along with that, Apple also released iOS iPadOS 15.2, watchOS 8.3, Apple tvOS 15.2, HomePodOS 15.2. Also, macOS Big Sur 11.6.2 is out and new security update for macOS Catalina as well. To check for this update, go to System Preferences, then Software Update, and you should see your update available here. As you can see, this update came in around 2.36 gigabytes on this mid-2017 MacBook Air 13-inch, and depending on the version you are on, this should vary. Before the update, let's check build number. As you can see, the version is 12.0.1 and the build is 21A559. The available free storage in this Mac is 63 gigabytes out of 128 gigabytes before the update. Now before I update, here is a quick request to subscribe to TGT. This is a dedicated channel for the Apple users and I post important Apple related videos here regularly. So please subscribe. Now let's go on with the update. Okay guys, the update is now complete. Let's go to about this Mac. Here you can see the version is 12.1 now and the new build number is 21C52. After the update, the available storage space is around 62 gigabytes. So this update is not going to affect your storage much. Now let's talk about what's new. macOS Monterey 12.1 adds SharePlay. SharePlay is a new way to share synchronized experiences in FaceTime with content from Apple TV app, Apple Music, and other supported apps. Shared controls give everyone the ability to pause, play, rewind, or fast forward. The next is Apple Music Voice Plan. The Apple Music Voice Plan is a new subscription tier that gives you access to all songs, playlists, and stations in Apple Music using Siri. You just need to ask Siri to suggest music based on your listening history, likes, and dislikes. And Play It Again lets you access a list of your recently played music. This is available across iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch as well. Within Photos, Memories has been redesigned with a new interactive interface, new animation and transition style, and multiple image collages. New memory types include additional international holidays, child focus memories, trends over time, and improved pet memories. Within Apple ID, Digital Legacy allows you to designate people as legacy contacts so they can access your iCloud account and personal information in the event of your death. If you open the Apple TV app, there is a new Store tab that lets you browse, buy, and rent movies and TV shows all in one place. So these are the new features that are coming with macOS Monterey 12.1, but we are yet to see the universal control in macOS Monterey, which Apple mentioned during keynote. This release also includes some enhancements for your Mac as well. Hide My Email is available in the Mail app for iCloud Plus subscribers to create unique random email addresses. Stocks allows you to view the currency for a ticker and see year-to-date performance when viewing charts. Reminders and notes now allow you to delete or rename tags directly from the side menu. Now let's talk about some bug fixes included in this update. Desktop and screensaver may appear blank after selecting photos from the Photos library. Trackpad could become unresponsive to taps or clicks. External displays may not charge some MacBook Pros or MacBook Air computers when connected using Thunderbolt or USB-C. HDR video playback on YouTube.com could cause 2021 MacBook Pro computers some issues. Menu bar extras may be hidden by the camera housing on MacBook Pro 2021 computers. MagSafe may stop charging on some 16-inch MacBook Pro 2021 computers when the lid is closed and the system is shut down. This update also contains a number of security updates as mentioned in the release note by Apple. I will link this document in the description box in case you want to read in details. Performance and stability wise, this is running absolutely fine in this late 2017 MacBook Air 13-inch. So far, the battery life is also same as the previous one, at least for me. With macOS Monterey, I get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life in this MacBook Air, but it varies depending on the task I'm doing. Now for the benchmark scores, let's run the Geekbench 5 here. And the scores for macOS Monterey 12.1 are 666 for single core and 1377 for the multi-core. The multi-core score is a bit down from the macOS Monterey 12, but that should not affect the performance much. So if you are running macOS Monterey 12.0.1 already, I think you should update to this version. This version is stable and will make your Mac much more secure. If you are still on macOS Big Sur, there is a new version for you as well, so do update to that. But you should not expect any new feature for macOS Big Sur anymore. That's it for this video, guys. Do share your experience about this update as well. Do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.